ready?
Yeah.
Set. Go. On your mark, get set, go.
You want to try it? Doesn't hurt.
Goldfish! Tell me what happens.
So, at the beginning, we launch our machine.
Using the syringe.
It pushes water and pushes. It launches the plane, and as it flies, the plane pulls out the knife. The ball rolls down the machine.
The plane.
Pulls out a knife here. The ball was over here, so the ball once the knife is over here.
I see.
And then the knife is over here and the ball is over here. So when the knife goes out, the ball drops down. The ball drops down. This pulley activates, lifting this into an inclined plane, which the car and then the car goes down. After the car goes down, it turns the gear slip, which pushes another car. The car hits these batteries, causing the water bottle to pour through the funnel. Inside here, there's paper here. There's filter paper down there and a sugar cube with erosional energy. And there's also a food coloring in there, which causes it to turn a different color when it comes out. Then the ball rolls down, it hits this kick, which hits this lever. Another lever, then the car goes down here. This activates the music. It activates the music. And the ball releases over here. The ball hits the pendulum. The pendulum hits this wooden block down. Then the skateboard goes down and hits the ball. The ball travels through the maze, hits the spatula, which hits the salt shaker, which pulls a piece of wood off here, which lets the ball go through the screw.
That's crazy. It went through the
screw. Yeah, this ball.
slinky.
This that can. The can goes down, hits the ball, which hits this, and this pushes the car to point the balloon.
Nice. I like that.
Penny
And feeding the penguin his Penny pet penguin birthday fish. Innovative inventors.
Really, if you feel like you're shouting, that's just right. You have to talk loud because there's a lot of going on in here. Yeah. In place, all right. All right. On your mark, get set, go.
Hi, my name is Aditya and my name is Anika. We are Team Innovative Inventors. And this is our machine, P2P2, or Pet Penny's Birthday Bash. We will be doing a presentation, a skit for our presentation. Also, we will do a grand reveal of our pet at the end of our run. Thank you. We hope you enjoy. As you have all guessed, it is my pet Penny's birthday today. No. Who could be at the door? Who's there? You followed me. Oh, it is probably Kira the koala, Penny's best friend. Come on, Kira. Thank you for inviting me. Penny and I have been best friends since we met at Phillip Islands in Australia. Wow, the decor is so good. I'm sure she'll love it. Is it a surprise? Yes. Decorating the room was as easy as a piece of cake, and I had a whale of a time doing it. Speaking of cake, the cake for Penny's birthday party is almost baked and ready. Let me dip the candy cherry into the sprinkle jar to put it on the cake. Here's a piece of chocolate. Oh, I just realized it's only an hour till Penny's birthday. The gears are turning in my head. How can I help? Let's make some lemonade. And I called some Penny's other friends too. Oh, I see their car parked. How about we play some music and have some fun with party games? I hope no one lets the cat out of the bag. Rain or shine, let's get this party started. Thank you for listening to our presentation.
Okay, nice. All right, on my word, I will tell you when. On your mark, get set, go.
Woo! And the pet is.
Our favorite pet, Penny the penguin!
Oh, yeah!